Hola chicos, in today's lesson we are going to take a look at the AR ending stem changing verbs. Up until now you have learned the regular present subjunctive of the AR, ER, IR ending verbs. Okay, so for the stem changing verbs, the verbs work the same way in the subjunctive as they do in the present tense. They change in all forms except in the nosotros form. Remember the boot verbs. Okay? They have the opposite ER endings, just as they do in the regular subjunctive AR verb. Okay, so let's take a look. Pensar is an AR ending verb and also a stem changer. So when we conjugate, we would say yo piense, tú pienses, él piense, nosotros pensemos, ellos, ellas y ustedes piensen. Volar, another AR ending verb, and a stem changer will be conjugated as follows. Yo vuele, tú vueles, él, ella, usted vuele, nosotros volemos, ellos, ellas y ustedes vuelen. Now let's practice. In the Practiquemos section of your notes, please conjugate the following stem changers, AR ending verbs. Take a few minutes. All right, chicos, you should have gotten yo almuerce, tú cierres, ella pase, nosotros encontremos, ellos jueguen, yo tome, tú muestres, él nade, nosotros montemos, ellos cuesten, yo invite, tú comiences. All right, chicos, this will conclude your stem changing lesson for today.